What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. I got an article here from CNBC. So it is obviously a government-sponsored article, as we know most media platforms are. But take a look at this, guys. Fed's Bernard says crypto needs regulation now before it becomes so big that it threatens the financial system. Of course it's going to threaten the financial system. Crypto is the whole reason why it's better than the financial system. The financial system is just there to rob all of us from our money, and they just slowly take their pick. So by regulation, they're probably just referring to how they can try to control it for themselves to keep us all broke. I don't know, guys, but let's take a look at this article and see what they're actually talking about. So the Federal Reserve Vice Chair became the latest official to speak out on crypto, saying Friday that regulation is needed or the industry could become a wider danger. Okay, lady, whatever you say. Innovation has the potential to make financial services faster, cheaper, and more inclusive, and do so in ways that are native to the digital ecosystem, she said in a speech at a Bank of England conference in London. It is important that the foundations for sound regulation of the crypto financial system be established now before the crypto ecosystem becomes so large or interconnected that it might pose risk to the stability of the broader financial system. So they're worried they're going to lose all their money. The rich are scared that they're not going to keep getting richer and they may start losing money, Sorry, guys, you're going to end up like everyone else. Crypto is here to save all of us. We're trying to get away from what you guys are trying to tell us what to do. Anyway, the lack of regulation guidelines has been a confusing and troublesome issue for the crypto industries, whose participants are keen to develop and expand businesses but are unclear on the regulatory parameters within which they can do so. This is also kind of funny, guys, because remember, just 4 or 5 years ago or so, governments were saying crypto isn't even a thing. Don't worry about it. Stay away from it. And now, whoa, guys, guess what? This thing is going to wipe us out. We got to figure out how we can get our dirty, filthy hands in on this because it's not stopping. Despite this year's crash, the price of Bitcoin is currently above 70% below its November all-time high of $68,982.20. U.S. regulators continue to call attention to the industry's potential growth and reach, as well as the potential consequences of not having a clear framework for it. This is very funny because last time we saw the kind of dip down, they're all going on about say, hey, stay away from crypto. It's bad, very volatile, yada, 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 when, main stock prices have dropped more than Bitcoin, but yet you don't hear anything about them. And now they're kind of saying, look at guys, there's potential growth here. They know what's going on with these cycles. They're not, they're not dumb. They know what's happening, and they're just trying to trick you guys into giving them more money. Bernard's comments come a month after Cynthia Loomis Arroyo, however you pronounce all that, and Kristen Gillibrand, D-NY, introduced legislation to create a regulatory framework for crypto that would empower the Commodity Futures Trading Commissions to regulate most of the industry. Earlier this year, President Joe Biden announced an executive order on cryptocurrency that attempted to fix the lack of a framework for crypto developed in the U.S. Brainyard on Friday highlighted the volatile nature of cryptocurrency prices. She also pointed to recent events that have further pressured crypto prices and soared sentiment, specifically the collapse of Terra, as well as attempts to create decentralized stablecoins and the current liquidity crisis involving Three Arrows Capital. New technology and financial engineering cannot by themselves convert risky assets into safe ones, Bernard said, and neither can the government. So stop it, guys. Despite significant investor losses, the crypto financial system does not yet appear to be so large or so interconnected with the traditional financial system as to pose a systemic risk, she added. This is the right time to establish which crypto activities are permissionable for regulated entities and under what constraints, so that spillovers to the core financial system remain well contained. It's funny, guys. They're nitpicking the cryptos they want that they can centralize and control. Cough, cough, Ethereum moving to POS. And, a lot of these platforms, XRP is very well one of them because XRP does want to, they want to move around with banks, help send money faster. Now, don't quote me on this. I haven't been following XRP for a while, but a lot of these, they're nitpicking, and it's like, you know, these are the ones we're going to roll with. Don't get anything else. These are the only ones we're going to allow. So we may see some crazy changes coming out of the government, but at the same time, it's too soon to tell. But very interesting stuff here. All right, guys. So let me know your whole thoughts in the comments below about this whole crypto regulation thing going on. Personally, myself, all I see here is, yes, the financial system, the banking systems, the governments, they're threatened by crypto because they don't have their hands. They don't have the ability to control the users. That's me, you, all you guys that use crypto out there. As we know, governments, these large entities, they have the power to control people. That's all they care about is control, control, control. And crypto frees us up from that. So they're really trying to figure out how they can control that. Also, you know, they have the big thing on how mining Bitcoin, mining crypto and stuff in general uses so much power, but in theory, it probably uses less power and it's faster and more secure than the traditional banking system. So they're really got the, you know, wrap their heads around this and realize, guys, we're losing the battle. We're the whole main issue of this whole emissions thing. And, you know, people have found a way to outsmart us. So we got to get in here. We got to dip our fingers in and we got to try to get back what our rightful control could be. Now, that's actually not rightful control, but you guys kind of get what I'm getting at. Guys, the government is going to try to regulate, cough, cough, regulate, aka control you guys as much as they possibly can. Thank you for watching my video. And if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed something, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week. So be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.